Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a 2006 Cadillac DeVille. Customer called and said that the steering was really hard. It felt like it didn't have any power steering fluid. They noticed a few drips on their garage, wondering if we could take a look at it, investigate it. We noticed that there was some leaking from one of the power steering hoses, but after we got the power steering fluid level up to the correct amount, we noticed that the vehicle had little to no power steering whatsoever. There was a lot of noise under the hood when we tried to turn the wheel, indicating that the power steering pump itself had an internal issue. We advised the customer that it would need a new pump to resolve the hard steering issue. Installed the new pump, took it for a test drive, noticed that the noise was considerably quieter and that the vehicle had the power steering that it should have. So if you have a vehicle that's got some stiff steering, you're not sure what's going on, or maybe you see a puddle underneath your vehicle, you'd like to have that investigated, remember we do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.